All right, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be replacing all the OEM interior lighting with some LEDs. So we're gonna spend some time on the inside of the car, taking everything out and replacing with these guys. All right, so here are all the LED bulbs in like the kit. This is from ECS Tuning. 3 different types of bulbs. These little 8-piece ones, 6-piece ones, and then these single like little actual plug-in bulbs. I don't know how to really describe them, but they're not like these like fuse bulbs. But yeah, 3 different types, and then there's a little diagram that shows where each one goes. So start taking apart the interior. Okay, so the first LED bulbs we're going to replace are these vanity light bulbs. They simply just pull out of the headliner by pulling down from the front of the vehicle down. And then these are going to be replaced with polarity sensitive 8-piece LEDs.
You just pull aside.
All right, so the next bulb we're gonna do is the center dome light. What we're gonna have to do is drop the front of the headliner here. And what you're gonna do is just kind of remove your sun visor off to the side out of like the clip. And from there, you're going to remove this little trim piece by pulling up the cover on the screw, which goes in here. And then removing these 2 little clips for the sun visors so we can get access to the back of this from the headliner. Oh my god, the windshield is fucking 30 billion degrees. It really is. I'm scared to touch the windshield. Oh my god. Okay, baby. Oh, it's so hot. Alright, so basically what you're gonna do is you're going to just reach behind the headliner here. I had to put a glove on because my windshield is like 1,000 degrees. But there's 2 clips on the inside of here. You're gonna have to depress these clips. If I can get this one. There we go. And pull this assembly down. All right, so now we're gonna remove each one of these 3 bulbs here. It's just a simple right to tighten and left to loosen. I still have this freaking glove on. I completely forgot. But then we're just gonna replace each one of these 3 with one of the wedge LEDs. All right, so I installed the new LED in here. I still have this fucking glove on. And that is the LED. Just gotta do the other 2 and reinstall this. All right, here's one of the LEDs installed in the socket. And now center one and the 2 driver and passenger lights, reading lights. So that's in place, and now we're going to just screw these 2 sun visor mounts back on, and the dome lights are good.
Laser. GPS connected.
Okay, so the next LEDs we're gonna do is gonna be the rear dome lights. To remove these, all we're gonna do is gonna put your fingers at the front of the lighting fixture here and push backwards and also pull down at the same time, or pull backwards and down at the same time to compress these springs back here. And then the straps down, we're gonna do the same replacement of these 3 bulbs as we did on the front. All right, so here are the new LEDs, and now you're gonna do the same installation with these as the front dome light. All right, now to reinstall after you put the LEDs in, you're gonna put the front in and then push up on the rear and then verify that everything works. Yay. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is the light in the glove box. Obviously gonna open the glove box, and there's a little tab right here that you're gonna pry down on the opposite side of the rod, and then it simply pulls out, and you're gonna be replacing this right here. All right, obviously put the bulb facing the lens, and then we're going to install the side with the rod first, and then just simply press up and working LED. All right, we got all the garbage down here, but next one is gonna be the footwell lights. So right here, same as the one in the glove box, you're gonna pry down on the front side of this lens here and pull it out the same as the glove box. All right, you remove the bulb, put the LED in. Oh my God, that's really bright. And installs the same way as all the other ones. Backside in first, push up, and you're good to go. Boom, check that out. All right, so obviously just do the same to the other side, except this one is in by like an actual socket instead of just being built into the assembly here. So take this one out, install the new LED. All right, so here's with the new LED in it. Oh geez, right. And again, same as the others. Oh, I'm gonna have to curl under. Back side in and push up and boom. All right, next two are gonna be the door puddle lamps. Going to pry from this end. It's gonna be the exact same as all the other little panel lights. All right, the last bulb is going to be the rear trunk bulb. Same thing as before, but preferably use a non-marring like interior tool. I unfortunately forgot one, so we're gonna carefully use a screwdriver on this. But you're gonna push in on the driver's side of this light and pull down on this clip right here to depress it. And then we're going to replace the bulb that is inside of here. All right, so we have the new LED installed. This one does not center with the lens. It has a stop here to angle the light towards you in the trunk. Last thing we're gonna do is put this cover on here, slides on. Then we're going to reconnect the bulb, make sure it's working properly, and then install it exactly the same as all the other ones. And we're good to go. All right, let's take a look at these interior lights here. Oh, dang. Hell yeah. So much better. So bright. Yeah, that's a mustache inside joke. Okay. Like that floodlight. Let's check the trunk. Oh, that's a million times better. Hell yeah. And front door. A footwell front door. That's awesome. Love it.